Best health insurance during pregnancy. Having a maternity health insurance plan can protect you from the potential high fees related to giving birth. In case of any complications during your pregnancy, although we hope there aren't any, the expenses of complex deliveries and treating your newborn for birth defects can reach thousands of dollars. Looking for the best health insurance during pregnancy? You've come to the right place. Today we'll only discuss the top health insurance plans for expecting mothers. So the first one is Kaiser Permanent. Best insurance plan for pregnancy, Kaiser Permanent, is widely regarded as the best option for pregnant women due to its comprehensive approach to healthcare. Plans for pregnant women typically include comprehensive prenatal care, childbirth services, and postpartum support. It's an extensive network of healthcare providers for convenient access to care. It emphasizes preventative care and personalized treatment. It has a well-regarded reputation for quality healthcare. It has potentially higher premiums compared to some other providers. Its coverage may vary depending on the specific plan. It has limited availability in certain regions. Next is Blue Cross Blue Shield, affordable insurance for pregnant women. Blue Cross Blue Shield is recognized as the top choice for affordable health insurance options for pregnant women. They offer a vast network of healthcare providers nationwide, ensuring ample opportunities for maternity care. Their health insurance plans for pregnant women often come at competitive prices without compromising essential coverage for prenatal care, labor and delivery, and postpartum services. It has a wide network of healthcare providers for diverse choices in care. It's an affordable health insurance option for pregnant women. It has certain downfalls to it, like its customer service quality may vary depending on the specific region, and some plans may have limited coverage for certain services. Also, its plan availability and coverage may vary by location. Aetna. It's known for its commitment to customer satisfaction, making it an excellent choice for pregnant women. The extensive network of these healthcare providers allows expectant mothers to choose from a wide range of doctors, hospitals, and specialists. It has a strong focus on customer satisfaction and responsive customer service, and it includes comprehensive coverage for prenatal, delivery, and postpartum care, and a vast network of healthcare providers for flexible care options. One of the major demerits is that its premiums may be higher compared to some other providers, and another is network coverage limitations may exist for specific plans. These are the best pregnancy insurances. Also, if you haven't planned ahead, then you don't have to worry about things like you don't have a plan and that you're pregnant and all. Just breathe slowly and follow our lead. There are options available that can provide free or low-cost health insurance coverage for already pregnant women. Medicaid. Medicaid is a program that is jointly funded by the federal and state governments. It provides free or low-cost health insurance coverage to individuals with limited income, including pregnant ones. The eligibility criteria for Medicaid vary by state, but it generally offers comprehensive coverage for prenatal care, labor and delivery, and postpartum services. The Child Health Insurance Program, CHIP, is another program that provides free or low-cost health insurance for children and pregnant women whose families earn too much to qualify for Medicaid, but cannot afford private insurance. Each state has its own CHIP program with varying eligibility guidelines. Affordable Care Act ACA Marketplace. The ACA provides options for subsidized health insurance plans through the health insurance marketplace. Depending on the family's sizes and income, pregnant women may qualify for tax credits that reduce the cost of health insurance. Local Assist Program. These programs may offer free or low-cost health insurance options or connect pregnant women with resources for accessing affordable care. So guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. We'll make sure to answer them. Moreover, if you like the content, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, be safe and healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.